Hello everyone. Welcome to Guardians of the Cyber Realm, your go-to show for all things cybersecurity. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that affects us all: hacking problems on websites. But don't worry, we've got solutions too. Imagine this. You're running a website, and suddenly, you discover unauthorized access and changes. It's a nightmare. But fear not, because understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. Hacking can happen in various ways. Phishing, SQL injection, and cross-site scripting are just a few tricks up hackers' sleeves. Let's take a closer look at each and see how they work. The consequences of a successful hack can be devastating: stolen data, compromised user information, and damage to your reputation. But we're not here to dwell on the negative. We're here to empower you with solutions. Now, let's talk about how to protect your website. First up, keep your software updated. Regular updates patch vulnerabilities that hackers might exploit. Next, implement strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Don't forget security audits. Regularly scan your website for vulnerabilities. It's like a health checkup for your online presence. Last but not least, always back up your data. In the unfortunate event of a hack, having a recent backup ensures you can quickly restore your website to its former glory. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And as always, stay safe in the cyber world. Bye for now.